Sequence X, Sequence X, hymns explicit in spectral X. High tricks, venoms, poetic and flows ballistics. Cadaverics, lyricalistics, and the mission X. Engine beast, my style and prolific synergies. I am a celestial poet, my writings galactics. Automatic brain verses of minds astronic. I'm the artist. I'm the artist, Nephilim's architects of the diencephalon next. The epiphyses, ADM vortex, rhymes, cortex, cold codex. Ready to deploy my puzzle, spirit astronaut inside my skull X. The assembly, the engine, ignition, mechanics. The spectral X, torments and tempestrials into exorcisms of Luciferics. I leaves an atmosphere, cosmics of the celestial X. Navigating the matter X, the noises, tremix, astronics. Under the torpix, strophics, the op, vampire, laser X. My skills gravitate in orbits, my neuronics, bionic, linguistics. Destoy leaving no competition to the worries of execution. Freeze my impulsions and deploying my dreams towards other galactic horizons. The perfect chanics on the science peripherals of the highest stratospheric. Spectrum-ONE and metaspherics infiltrating the extremics. The heart of turbulence, the tsunamics inside the stormix. Enigmatic films, complex of a mind tricks, galactics. Chronic algorithms, synaptics, psychedelic rhythms of hypnotic. From the organics, bowels of gray matter and the high tricks. Sentinel of the mechanicals matrix. At the heart of cyclonics. My challenge rhymes that hit like the phantoms of planetics. The sadistics, depth levels, the axioms of minds, tectonics. The redics, moon eclipses, ashes resurrect the phoenix. The poetics, astronics, cerebral soul of the epiphysics. Neutron metaphoric, cervical chronimics, fractals, chaotic, haunted by the malefic, satanics, demonics, and baryonic. Navigating in subliminal shade, euphorics is into the mental and the radical strophics. Tragical linguistics, technical tricks, magical, poetic, spectral, the orphics. The sequence X, high tricks, flows ballistic, ritualistic and prolific. Synergies, mission X, engines beast, my writing galactics. Automatic brain verse of mind, astronics. Beast, my writing galactics. Verses of mind, astronics. The engineering beast. Verse of mind, astronic. Yeah, high volts, discharges, electrics and prolifics. Bionic, celestial artists with galactic skills. Ballistics, missiles and astrals, ancestrals, astronics. The spirit confined in a prism of verses, kryptonics. They lives in a simulation where all is program acts. Paradigms infected by disillusion of realities. Cryptics of a nirvanics and labyrinth. Yanders of a cube, Rubik's to neutrons, neuronics. Navigating my cranium, brainics. Under the mask of Belzebulic, trembling soul seismics. In the algorithmics, metaphorics. Dissecting the psychics of brain synapses. Visionary nocturals and psychedelics. Obscure sharpshooter, optimal creature in the abyss of a metaphorics. Mind algorithms and the strophics. Hieroglyphics, skills subatomics of diencephalonics. Linguistics, spectrum-ONE, Shaolin's rhymes, tectonics. Schizoid and psychoid subatomics with neutrons, plutonics. Prismoid, Machiavellics, androids of the level X. High logistics and the spiritonic. Shintoists and quantics, stoics, gnostics. Amalgams of skillzoid, syntax and cataclysm, strophics. The beast machine, poetry's linguistic. My rhymes, the lyricals, gonna missile. Sixth sense, optimize my instinct, maximize. Spitting my venoms, fractal, plutonics. Lyricals, free my catharses. Diencephalon X, mysticals. Sequence X, hymns, explicit and spectral X. I tricks, venoms, poetic and flows ballistics. Bitavarics, lyricalistics and the mission X. Engine beams, my style and prolific synergies. I am a celestial poet, my writing galactic. Automatic brain verses of minds astronic. Engine engine beast.